Um, Boss Jacob is building this team piece by piece. We already have our first group, and right now the second group played well. So, well, we're excited for the draft. And aside from the draft, Boss Jacob is, I don't know kung natutulog pa yun eh. Kasi isip kung anong pwedeng gawin sa team namin. And we've been very patient kasi we're competing against teams na ilang taon na sila dito eh. Nakaikot na sila and nakakapili na sila ng mga players kung sinong para sa kanila eh. And they have their own way of getting players that they want and they need. For us, pasensyoso kami dun eh. We're waiting for these young players to improve and to mature. Right now, what we need is time. Hopefully, going to have a long break and going to have a long off season. Hopefully, mag-improve yung mga players namin and hopefully swertehin kami sa draft team.
Yun, what types of players, especially baka kayo mag-topic?
Well, hindi pa namin alam kung sino mga sasali. So, well, hopefully, makuha namin yung kailangan namin. And again, yung decision niya kung sino kukunin, we're going to talk about it. Sana makakuha kami ng makakatulong sa amin.